Imagine you have a problem where you need to anonymize a set of hashes using GNU Sed. The hashes contain sensitive information, and you only want to replace parts of the hash while preserving the dollar symbol if it appears directly in front of a colon. The provided sed command almost does the job, but fails to handle the last entry correctly. It's a tricky problem that requires a careful approach to ensure the desired outcome. Now let's delve into the solution. The sed command happy face $redacted successfully replaces the sensitive parts of the hashes while keeping the dollar symbol intact if it precedes a colon. It accurately handles all the given examples, effectively redacting the necessary information without affecting the position of the dollar symbol. This command showcases the power and flexibility of Sed when it comes to pattern matching and substitution. In summary, we explored a problem where the goal was to anonymize hashes by replacing specific parts while preserving the dollar symbol in certain conditions. The provided sed command offered a precise and efficient solution to this problem, demonstrating how intricate text manipulation tasks can be tackled with the right approach. Hopefully, this solution helps you address similar anonymization challenges in your projects. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring new ways to enhance your text processing skills. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts. Happy scripting!